so many choices these days, it can be tough to find the best company with the right options in flooring. Sometimes the search can seem difficult, but it's easy if you know the right questions to ask. Today's local flooring expert is here to give you some great tips in finding the right professional who will transform your space quickly.
In this video, I'd like to talk about how to clean laminate floors. After installing laminate floors, most customers ask, what is the best way to clean my new laminate floor? Laminate is naturally durable, making cleaning a breeze. I usually tell my customers to go to their local home improvement store and pick up a kit for cleaning laminate floors. It includes a mop handle, liquid cleaning product, and 2 pads, one a dust mop for dust, and the other a microfiber for spots. This product will work for 99% of your cleaning needs. But for a tough spot such as oil, paint, lipstick, marker's ink, use acetone, nail polish remover, on a clean white cloth, then wipe the area with a damp cloth to remove any remaining residue. Like I mentioned, cleaning laminate is a breeze. Follow these simple instructions and your laminate floors will look like new for years to come. I hope this helps. For those who want to learn more, please go to our website at www.diamondbackflooring.com or call us at 602-448-2899. We are here to help because clients are the key to our success.
Pretty interesting, isn't it? With a focused approach, you'll find the right professional in no time. Are you interested in finding out more information? You can contact today's expert at the number on your screen. Thanks for stopping by.